Hello, I'm Samyar. This is my new project, the alarm clock. I used an Arduino Mega 2560 to make it, and now I want to show you how it works. First, we have the main screen that has the temperature, the time, and the date and the alarm status. Then we can go to the settings menu. First, I'm going to show you the LED menu. We have a few colors. And the auto. Next is the set time menu. You can set the clock's time here. Next is the set alarm. You can set the alarm's time and the alarm's date here. Next is the MP3 player menu. Next is the screen control menu. Next is the set date menu, which you can set the clock's time here. Thanks for watching and goodbye.